Hi! In front of me is SONY XPERIA Z5 Premium, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to access clock by tapping on it. Then you need to click on Allow in the pop-up and tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. But firstly, click on this clock one at the top left one if it's not already on. Now you can set up an hour over here by tapping on Time and clicking on OK, and then click on Repeat. Now pick days of the week manually and choose OK. After that, you can label your alarm however you wish to over here and click on the switches next to Vibrate to enable or disable vibrations, or on the switcher next to Gradually Increase Volume. Now tap on Snooze Duration and pick how many minutes your snooze will take. Now tap on Auto Silence Time, select one of those options, click on Side Keys Behavior. Over here I will go with Snooze because it's easier. And now you can click on Alarm Sound. Choose Allow in the pop-up and pick one of those melodies by tapping on the best one for you and choosing Done. You can also click on Alarm Sound though and tap on this plus icon at the top right corner. Now click on Allow and select Song from your smartphone by tapping on it and choosing Done. Then click on Allow again, and over here change volume of your alarm by swiping left or right. Finally, click Save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. You can also click on those three dots at the top right corner of this clock display, tap on Delete Alarms, select useless ones, and save your changes by tapping on Delete at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!